A digital signature can refer to two different things: using a simple electronic version of your regular handwritten signature, or using a digital signing certificate to add an encrypted stamp of authentication to a document. If you need to add your handwritten signature to a Microsoft Word document, we'll show you this easy-to-use guide using a scanned sign. First, write your signature on a white piece of paper using dark ink. Scan it and save it. You can use any available scanner you have. It can be a mobile app or a printer scanner, and then save it as a JPG, PNG, or a BMP file. If you already have your scanned sign, you can now open your Word document. Go to Insert. Select Picture. Click this device. Select your scanned signature and click Insert. Resize or move your signature as needed. If necessary, use the crop tool under Picture Format to trim extra space. Right-click the image and select Save as Picture to reuse it later. Once you're happy with the placement, click File, select Save, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.